Welcome to the channel The Practical Study. Today we are going to discuss that what is the difference between current, voltage and resistance. Before moving ahead, it is to request you, please subscribe our channel, give your feedback and comments if you like our video. Before understanding the concept of current, it is very necessary to learn some few basic terms. What is an atom? As you all know that atom is that smallest particle which can neither be divided more. Atom is comprises of few more particles. As you can see in this picture, in the center of the atom there is a nucleus, and nucleus consists of proton and neutron, and around the shells of nucleus electrons exist which rotates in the shells around the nucleus. Now this is the basic structure of atom which everybody knows. Why I am giving you this concept? Because the concept of electron, proton, neutron is very necessary to understand that how current moves or what is the current. Second thing, after understanding the atom structure, we have to learn about charge. Electric charge is a physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Anything which has charge, when we place it in electromagnetic field, it will feel some force. As I already told you that in an atom there is a proton and electrons. These are the charged particles. Electron has negative charge and proton has positive charge. Now if an atom has equal number of electrons and protons, then that means this atom has zero charge, neutral charge. If an atom has excess number of electrons, that means that this atom is negatively charged, and if this atom has less number of electrons than protons, then this means that this atom is positively charged. So if an atom is of negatively charged, then if we place it in magnetic field of negative charge, then that magnetic field will push that electron to move ahead. And if an atom is positively charged and we put it in the field of positive electromagnetic field, then this positive field will push that positive atom to move ahead. Unit of charge is coulomb. Now what is coulomb? If 6.28 into 10 raised to the power 24 number of electrons are gathered at one place, then this charge will be equal to 1 coulomb. Now we are able to understand that how is the current moves and what is the current. An electric current is a flow of electric charge in an electric circuit. Why this current flows, we will be able to understand when we understand the potential difference or voltage. The SI unit of measuring an electric current is the ampere, which is the flow of electric charge across a surface area at the rate of 1 coulomb per second. So if from a certain area 1 coulomb charge is moving within 1 second, that means 1 ampere of current is passing through that area. For understanding of current, the knowledge of voltage is very necessary. What is voltage? Voltage is basically an electromotive force which pushes the electrons or charge in a circuit to move from one place to another place. The unit of voltage is volt and it is symbolized by V. Now let's suppose we have a voltage of 1 volt. Then this 1 volt voltage will have the capacity to produce a magnetic field or electromagnetic force in a circuit to drive 1 coulomb charge carrier, such as electrons, through a resistance of 1 ohm in 1 second. Now, as per seen in this picture, let's suppose this battery is of 1 volt. Then this battery will have the capability to move 6.28 into 10 to the power 24 electrons to move from negative terminal of the battery to positive terminal of the battery, because the equal charges repulse each other and opposite charges attract each other. Now this battery will have the potential difference, or will have the electromagnetic force which pushes the electrons from negative terminal to move around and receive to the positive terminal. And through we have discussed, now we will discuss what is the resistance. Resistance is basically a opposition. When electric current is moving in an electric circuit, then few elements are trying to resist that movement of electrons. This is a resistance. So why resistance produces? In a metal from which electrons are moving or current is moving, resistance depends upon its conductivity. If that conductor has less conductivity, then resistance will be high, and if that conductor has greater conductivity, then the resistance will be low. So the matter or metal which has the ability to pass the electrons very faster, then that means it has low resistance and high conductivity. So resistance unit is ohm, and when an electric current of 1 ampere passes through a component across which a potential difference of 1 voltage exists, that means the resistance of 1 ohm is present. I hope guys you understand that what is the difference between current, voltage and resistance, and please share your comments, subscribe our channel and give your feedback.